I'm Dr. Tina Marcantel. Today we're going to talk about salads. The summer months are upon us, and lots of us are eating more and more salads. I like to make a meal, a salad a meal. And we're going to talk about a salad called Antipasto Salad. And this has quite a number of delicious ingredients. When I was raising my kids years ago, we used to have the neighborhood kids come over and their friends, and we would all make our own individualized pizzas. And the kids would choose their ingredients, and each child would make their own pizza with their own ingredients and their own amounts of ingredients on the pizza. And I thought about that when I was putting together this salad, that each individual is going to be different in how much and what they want to put in their salad. So what I'm going to do is give you quite a number of ingredients that you may want to try in your salad. And if you have suggestions of your own, I would love for you to leave a comment and let us know what other ingredients may be good for this salad. So let's get going. So here are a few ingredients I recommend. Chopped ham or chopped smoked turkey. You can just use the deli ham or turkey. You can add turkey pepperoni if you'd like. Black olives. I use green olives. Garlic, chopped garlic, of course, olive oil. I use the virgin olive oil. You can even put some chunks of cheese in there. I use the jalapeno cheese, chopped in small squares. I also like to add a lot of vegetables in here. So I'm going to put a lot of chopped artichoke hearts, and I'm going to put in zucchini, chopped zucchini. I will cook the zucchini just slightly before I put it in there. Chopped tomatoes, raw tomatoes are great in there. If you want a creamier salad, you might want to chop up some avocado in there, and even maybe for a little extra creaminess or protein, you can add hard-boiled eggs. I like to add extra vegetables because it just makes it more nutrient rich. Another thing I'd like to add in there is cooked red lentils or black bean pasta. So it's not your regular pasta that's made of wheat. This is made of pure red lentils or black bean pasta. This just really adds a lot of texture to the salad and a lot of protein to the salad. If you want a little sweetness added to your salad, you can chop up some sugar-free bread and butter pickles. It makes it delicious. You just mix everything together with the olive oil. Again, you add your own amount that you want and what ingredients you decide to choose. And this makes a delicious salad. It doesn't have the regular lettuce and cucumber and such, but it is something different, and it is packed full of good protein and good oils as well. I hope you enjoy this salad.